Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the market right now and see the top 3 altcoins to buy right now. So in the past 24 hours, the market is currently up about 1.1%, which is very nice. We see our top gainer here in the past 24 hours is going to be Gala. Gala has been making a huge move here, trading at 53 cents per coin. Let's take actually a quick look to see how it's doing. Here, just in the past 24 hours, it's up over 21%. Past week, 131%. 1 month over 550%. Insane gains, only at a 3.7 billion market cap still. We have our highest volume here is going to be Bitcoin. So Bitcoin at 33.9 billion in volume, Ethereum at 18.9 billion. So Bitcoin's up about 2.5%, trading right under 58,000. Ethereum at the 4,300 area, up about 1.7%. We have Binance Coin, which is almost up 5%, trading at 611. And then obviously everything else is either down a percent or two, or up a percent or two. Avalanche, Shiba Inu, crypto.com, all of them are pretty much up about 2 or 3%. We see Litecoin up 4%. We see some gainers down here like Bitcoin Cash up 10%. Decentraland is up 15%. Axie Infinity 4%. A lot of the metaverse plays are booming here lately. Sandbox actually is another one. Sandbox has been booming lately. ILV, many other altcoins up about 2 or 3% as well. Now, if we take a look at these crypto bubbles, obviously the market here, Cocos is still up over 496% in the past week. Gala's up 150%, like we just said. We have Sandbox right there, up over 95%, trading at $7 now. Keeps on moving higher and higher. We have Myth here. Mythrol's up about 103%, and then ILV, another metaverse play, Alluvium, which is up about 53.8%, and many other green, green bubbles here. So, guys, we're seeing a lot more green compared to the, red, and a lot of these green bubbles are pretty big, which is, which means that a lot of these coins are, booming in the past week or so, which is definitely a positive sign for us crypto investors. So, guys, before we get into this Thanksgiving holiday, go ahead and smash that like button for me, guys. Let's aim for 150 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below letting me know which cryptocurrencies are you buying right now. Now let's get into it. So the first altcoin we're going to be talking about is going to be Engine. So Engine Coin, ENGIN. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Ticker symbol ENG. This one, huge play right here. Keeps on moving higher and higher lately. We've been watching it very closely. Never talked about it on the channel yet. Currently, it's up about 6.5% here in the past 24 hours, trading at $4.21. In the past week, we're up to 39%. Past month, 137% from lows of under $2. And then on the 1 year chart, 2,509%. It was trading at around 14 cents in November, hit highs here in March, hit new highs in April, pulled back down with the rest of the market to about 92 cents. And then recently here, in about October, but mainly here at end of October, we saw a huge boom from about dollar and a half, all the way to highs of about 420, 421 right now, as it continues to, trend on higher and higher. Market cap is, lower cap coin here still, at around 3.5 billion here market cap, so still has plenty of potential for growth. Volume in the past 24 hours at 2 billion, 40% higher than usual. Typical hold time is going to be 22 days on this one. It is ranked the number 33 coin, and it keeps on climbing higher and higher. 66% buy activity, 34% sell activity currently on this coin. Now, if you guys are not familiar with this one, Engine Coin is an Ethereum token that aims to make it easy for individuals, businesses, and brands to use non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Now, ENG is used to directly pay, directly back the value of NFTs minted within the Engine ecosystem. How does all this work? Well, the Engine token is the platform's native currency. When a new NFT is minted on the network, a chosen amount of Engine is minted into the token. The locked funds give the newly built goods real world value, as each item can be at any point, melted back into the underlying ENG backing. Now, the Engine platform also provides software developer kits that equip developers with tools to build their own NFTs on the Ethereum blockchain and enable their, integration into the gaming ecosystem or apps of their choice. The platform also maintains its own native NFT marketplace and wallet with NFT support. Now, something to keep in mind, NFTs created with Engine use a standard called ERC-1155, which was developed by Engine's team and is distinct from the more common ERC-721 standard pioneered by the NFT art project CryptoPunks. So, Very interesting here for another metaverse type situation in the future. Engine is definitely another coin we're going to be watching, and with the market cap still being only at 3.5 billion, there's plenty of room to grow in the future as well with this coin. I would not be surprised to see this one 5x, 10x, or even more in the future years to come. So definitely one to be adding to your radar to see how it's going to perform. Then we have number 2 on the list. It's going to be Phantom FTM. So this one, another play that's been moving here. In the past 24 hours, it is up about 16%, trading at $2.64. In the past week, we're up over 22%. Past month, we're actually down about 2.5% from highs of 347. In the past year, we're up over 11,645%. It was trading at around 1.5 cents, 2 cents last November. We hit peak, obviously, here in February, another peak in May, pulled back down with the market all the way to about 16 cents. And then from that 16 cents, over 1,000%, close to 1,500% profit in a matter of about 3 or 4 months. So if you would have invested $1,000 into Phantom down here, right now it would be worth close to $10,000 to $15,000 or more, depending on when you sold or when you bought. So huge gains were able to be made there with Phantom. Current market cap is 6.7 billion, so market cap a little bit higher compared to the other coin we just talked about. 1.4 billion here in volume. Volume is literally flat here in the past 24 hours, as we can see. This coin continues to move on higher, and it's just kind of a momentum play, in my opinion. Here we saw this pullback, and now we're kind of rising back on higher. So this was kind of like an in and out type situation, and something that we're gonna be looking forward to see if this run continues and any pullbacks for momentum play type situation. Not a coin that I would personally hold for a long time, but a potential in and out momentum play day trade situation, I guess you could say, with Phantom. So another one to be watching very closely to see what's going to happen in the future. And then number 3, last but not least, is going to be Chainlink, also known as Link. So this one, you guys should be very familiar with this one. One of the more popular coins. It is trading at $26 right now, literally trading flat. In the past week, we're down 10%. Past month, 11%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're only up 85%, guys. So this one, underperforming compared to some of the other cryptos out there. So this one was trading at $12 last year. We hit a peak here of over $50, $53 here in May. Pulled back down with the market in July here to about $13 or so, and we're up about 100% since then. So even from that low, we're up over 100% with with the peak of about $34 there that we talked about. Current market cap is going to be 12.3 billion. Volume is up 8% higher than usual at 907 million. Typical hold time is going to be 66 days. Popularity ranking number 16, 63% buy and 37% sell activity. Now, Chainlink is an Ethereum token that powers the Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. This network allows smart contracts on Ethereum to securely connect to external data sources, APIs, and payment systems. How does this all work? Well, Chainlink was designed to incentivize a global network of computers to provide accurate data to Chainlink's oracles. There are many oracles operating today, including ones that provide price data across the wide range of assets, weather data, and location data. Now, Link is the token used to pay for services on the network and to incentivize nodes to perform verifiably honest work and provide accurate data. Something to keep in mind with this is in order to become a node and start providing data on the Chainlink oracles, holders must stake Link tokens into a smart contract to act as an incentive against misbehaving or submitting false data to the network. So Chainlink, another coin that's been underperforming, like we said, a little bit higher market cap here, one of the mid-cap coins, I guess you could say, at 12 billion. But still plenty of potential for future gains here. We have about 100% upside just to get back to the all-time high area that we were trading back in May. So anything is possible in the crypto space, and that could definitely happen in the future. Now, guys, after we discuss these 3 altcoins, we're going to be looking at some of these other coins that we usually look at, like Solana, just down about 3%, trading at around this $200 level. We see Cardano continues to pull back down. Some of the meme coins here, Doge trading at 1% down, trading at 22 cents. It's literally been in this 20 cents range, mid 20s, low 20s for the past 5 months. Avalanche taking off here, trying to get back to all-time highs. Shiba Inu literally lost half of its value in the past month or so. And then we have Crypto.com, also known as Crow. This one has been moving very, very quickly, continues to grow higher and higher, 22 billion market cap. We see huge moves here in the past, not even a month, probably a month or so. In the past week, over 61%. Past month, 349%. So anybody that got in last month on Crow is making some decent gains right there, guys. Now let's take a quick look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin here in the past 24 hours up about 2.5%, trading at almost 58,000. In the past week, we're down about 4%. Past month, 5%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're up over 256%. Still performing very, very nicely. 1.1 trillion market cap. 33% of the crypto market space is taken up right now by Bitcoin. 65% buy activity, 35% sell activity. Volume is flat at 33.8 billion, like we said. Then we have Ethereum, the other big coin, which is up about 1.5% or so, trading almost flat here at 4,300. In the past week, we're flat. In the past month, we're up 5.5%. And then on the 1-year chart, almost 800% higher. So definitely outperforming compared to Bitcoin and some of these other coins. Market cap right over 500 billion right now. 16% of the crypto market space is taken up by Ethereum. Volume is down about 13% at 18.8 billion. And then we have 61% buy and 39% sell activity on Ethereum. So Ethereum and Bitcoin still moving kind of slow here, trading kind of sideways in the past few weeks or so. We're waiting for the next leg up or leg down, depending on what happens in the crypto market space. Now, obviously, you guys let me know in the comments below what you guys think is going to happen in the crypto market space going into the end of 2021. As always, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 150 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence, and make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys have a great holiday, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.